guys would like to see how to create this 1980s makeup look, then just keep watching.
Alright, so getting started, first I am just going to put some concealer underneath my eyes to get rid of my mom bags. Yeah, just gotta cover those babies up. Then once I have the concealer on under my eyes, I'm just setting it with powder so it doesn't crease. Now going in with a blonde eye pencil, well, brow pencil, I'm just applying that and giving the general shape to my eye, brushing it out, and then going over top with a light brown taupe eyebrow pencil and creating brush hair looks for big bushy eyebrows like in the 1980s. So I'm taking the brush end and I'm just scraping it upwards on my brow to create fake hairs. So that was my makeup inspiration, the Madonna look from the 1980s. And I'm just taking purple, like a bright purple, and I'm putting it on my crease and working it right to the inner corner. Now for this part, I'm taking my fingers to apply a heavy dose of bright pink eyeshadow to my lid. I like to use my fingers for this because it puts all the color right onto my eye, but it also stains my finger, so that's a downfall. Now going in with a brown eye pencil, I am just outlining my eye on the top lash line and the bottom lash line. But on the bottom line, I am smoothing it out with a brush to give it a smoky eye look. Next step, I'm going in with mascara and I'm applying that heavy to my top lashes and my bottom lashes. Now for the face, I'm going in with a very bright pink blush. If you think you have enough blush on, go back in and apply like 5 more layers because the blush back then was super bright and bold. It's ridiculous. So make sure to really cake on that blush. Once the blush is at peak level, I'm going in with a black eyeliner and I'm applying that to my beauty mark right there on my top lip, and then it's time for lipstick. I'm outlining with a bright fuchsia lip liner and then I'm filling in my lips with a bright hot pink lipstick. Once that's done, I'm just fixing the general outline of my lips, going back in with the lip liner just to darken up the outside just a bit. Now it's time for the wig. I'm going in with this sandy adult wig from Wholesale Halloween Costumes, and then I'm fluffing it up how I would like it to be. So there is the makeup and the wig finished. Now it's time for the costume. So I'm going in with this 80s to the max costume from Wholesale Halloween Costumes. And I am just dancing it out wearing it. This is the costume. Super bright, super bold, definitely 80s. Please disregard my dancing.
Hi everyone, it's Caitlyn. I'm with Wholesale Halloween Costumes, and this look is 1980s inspired. I took a lot of inspiration from Madonna's look back in that time, and this is what I came up with for the makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to like, share, favorite, and subscribe to Wholesale Halloween Costumes. And don't forget to check out my channel, Caitlyn Kreklewich, for more looks like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time, bye!